Are you ready to dive into the world of virtual reality? Our Ultimate VR Headset Guide has got you covered. From the basics to advanced features, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. Virtual reality, or VR, immerses you in a digital world with applications in gaming, education, and more. VR headsets use a combination of hardware and software to create an immersive experience. There are three main types of VR headsets: PC-based, console-based, and standalone. Each type has its own requirements and benefits, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. When choosing a VR headset, consider key features like resolution, field of view tracking, and controllers. Batteries in higher resolution and wider field of view enhance the VR experience. Let's take a look at some popular VR headsets, including Oculus Quest, HTC Vive, PlayStation VR, and Valve Index. Each headset has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to do your research. VR content ranges from games to educational experiences, with popular platforms like Steam VR, Oculus Store, and PlayStation Store offering a wide range of options. Setting up your VR headset involves connecting it to your device and adjusting settings. Make sure your space is clear and safe for VR use. Remember to take breaks, stay hydrated, and avoid eye strain. VR headsets can cause motion sickness, so it's important to take precautions. Advanced features like room scale tracking, hand tracking, and social VR can enhance the VR experience, offering new and exciting possibilities. That's it. Our Ultimate VR Headset Guide has covered everything you need to know. Join the VR revolution and experience immersive gaming, education, and more. We hope this guide has been helpful for you on your VR journey. Thanks for watching.